Good morning. My name is Roman Krzaczek. I'm with Keller Williams Realty Van Central in Vancouver, BC. I wanted to do a quick video about the buying process. It's very important to select the right realtor, obviously, someone competent and hardworking and honest. So that's your number one. Number two, which is also extremely important, is selecting the right mortgage broker to find you the best financing for your needs. So if you have a mortgage person, great. If you don't, I can certainly help you with finding the right person. Once we have a commitment letter from your lender, we would start viewing properties, and the one that you would really love and you want to write an offer on, we would put an offer together. And typically in the contract we would put a clause to allow us to do research on the property. Typically it's 5 to 10 days period where we would do the inspection, the financing, and reviewing of all the documents, including property disclosure statements, any strata documents, perhaps any depreciation reports or anything like that, Form B for strata units, title search, a whole bunch of documents that need to be reviewed. And so I'm there for you to help you with all that. And after that period is over, then we move on to removing the subjects. Sometimes the banks may require appraisal to be done as well, because the lenders will look at your income and your financial situation as well as looking at the building itself. So that could be the last step in the whole process. The lender will see if you qualify for the place, but also if the building has some issues, if the bank feels comfortable giving you the money for the purchase, then they will go ahead with it. So yeah, that's basically the whole process in a nutshell. Fairly simple, but there's a few steps that need to be followed, and I'm here to guide you through the whole process. You're in good hands. I can help you with the whole process. I've been a buyer myself, so I know how stressful it is and how much money is involved. So I understand how important it is to communicate clearly and guide you through the whole process. And that's my job. I love doing it. And so if you're looking to buy, give me a call. I know what I'm doing, and I would love to help. I love working with buyers, especially first-time home buyers, but I've done a lot of different transactions with people that have a lot of experience, and I always learn something new. Each property is different, and I just have to always be vigilant for extra steps, any extra information that's hidden. That's my job, to do all that and make sure that you're getting a great deal. Whenever you're ready, give me a call. My name is Roman, and my phone number is 604-787-4594. Talk to you soon. Take care. Have a great day.